Today, I'm going to show you how to share access to your Mailchimp account. This is incredibly useful when you're working with a team and need to give others access to manage campaigns, view analytics, or handle administrative tasks without sharing your login credentials. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to either sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. If you're creating a new account, click on Sign Up Free and follow the prompts to get set up. If you already have an account, simply click the Login button and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. After you've logged in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Billing. This section is where you can manage all the important settings related to your account, including user access and permissions. Next, click on Settings in the top navigation bar. When you do this, another drop-down menu will appear with various options. From here, select Users. This is the section that controls who has access to your Mailchimp account and what level of permissions they have. It's where you'll be able to invite new users and manage existing ones. Now that you're in the Users section, look for the button labeled Invite a User and click on it. This will open up a form where you can add the details of the person you want to share access with. In the field provided, type the email address of the person you're inviting. Make sure this is accurate as the invitation will be sent directly to this email. After entering the email address, you'll need to choose a role for this person from the role drop-down menu. The role determines what level of access they'll have. For example, a viewer can only see campaigns and reports, an editor can create and modify content, and an admin has full control over the account. Choose the role that best fits what you need this person to do. If you'd like to add context for the invite, there's an optional message field where you can type a note explaining what the access is for or what you'd like them to work on. This step isn't required, but it can be helpful for clarity. Once everything is filled in, click Send Invite. This will send an email invitation to the person at the address you provided. The final step is to let the invite know to check their email. They'll need to open the invitation email and click the access link inside to accept the invitation and sign into their Mailchimp account. And there you have it. You've successfully shared access to your Mailchimp account, making collaboration smooth and secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.